Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another review from Makartt for you. They have sent me their transfer foil gel, and this stuff I hear is really good. So I'm really excited to try it out and see if it does transfer the foil really well, because I really always struggle with the glues I'm using on getting the full design to transfer. So hopefully this is going to do it, and I will be able to let you guys know if it's going to be worth purchasing. And you can buy this off of Amazon. They have, Makartt has a site, and I'll leave that link down in the description where you can buy this. I know they also have the transfer foil gel that comes in a kit, so you get transfer foil with it too, but I just received the actual gel for transferring, and I'm just gonna open up the box and show you. Okay, so this is what's in the box. You actually get not one but two gel transfer foil gels, that is, and they are 15 mils each, 0.5 fluid ounces, so that's a nice size for a bottle. And ingredients, of course, that's nice. They always tell you the ingredients, very important. And it can cure in a UV LED nail lamp. So it's nice that you do get two in the box. And they do have some instructions on how to use it, so I'm just going to pull this out. And it says, "Dear customer," and they're thanking you for purchasing. And the ingredients, of course, are on here again. And the storage, telling you where to store it and how to use it. And it's telling you exactly that, to cut the foil. Of course, you're going to shape your nail, apply a base coat and cure it. And then you're applying the color. And then you're applying the nail foil glue, which is really a gel, and then you're going to cure that for 2 minutes in a UV lamp and 60 seconds in an LED lamp. So if it's a combination light, 60 seconds would be perfect. And then you're just going to put on the foil, and you're going to rub it on and pull it off, and you should have a nice transfer. And then you take a top coat, of course, to seal it. And yeah, so I am going to try a couple tips out with some transfer foil, and then I'm going to be doing a design on a client, and I'll be using the transfer foil gel as well. So you'll see it a couple times, and I'll let you know my thoughts each time when I'm doing it. So I'm going to get started. So I'm going to be using Madame Glam's Coral Flirt, and then I'll be applying the foil gel. Okay, it's cured for 30 seconds, so I'm going to grab the Makartt foil gel and apply it. It says to cure it for 60 seconds in a combination light, so I'm going to do that. So when it's done curing, I'm going to use this holographic rose vines. So I'm just going to cut a piece off. So it cured for the 60 seconds. Now I'm going to put on the foil. You can use a tool to push this down. I'm just choosing to use my finger to rub it on. You could use a silicone tool if you wanted to. Okay, let's see how well this worked. Just make sure I get it everywhere. Oh yeah, that went on really nice. Look how pretty. Look at how it took on the rose really nice. So that is a good thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna try a different foil. I'm gonna try this one. And I'm not gonna put down a color. I'm just gonna put it on the tip as is. After, of course, I put the Makartt foil glue gel on. So we'll do that and see how well this one's gonna work, because it is full cover transfer foil. Okay, so this is a white tip anyways, so I'll just use this one. And now I'm just gonna grab the transfer foil glue. Okay, so now I'm gonna cure that for the 60 seconds. And while we're waiting, I'll just cut a piece of this off. If you guys want a link to this foil, just let me know and I can put it down in the description as well. Here's the big test to see if it'll cover it all. I'm just gonna grab a silicone tool to push it down really good. You can see, I'll show you right here how well it's taking it, because you can see the line of where the foil is not connected anymore. So that's a good sign. Silicone tools work really good at pushing it down. Oh yeah, you can just tell it's taking it really well. So everything's just kind of lifting away now. Oh wow, look at that. That is crazy. I'm gonna bring the light in better. Completely transferred on there, so nice. I've never had a foil transfer that nice. So this transfer foil glue is absolutely amazing, like they say. I'm just blown away how well it took on there. There's not one spot missing. Oh my goodness. I highly recommend this foil gel. So there you go. So now that I've done these two foils and you can see that it is transferring really well, I'm just gonna do a client's nail design. I'm going to do it from beginning to end. This is a client that likes having the gel polish on her natural nails, and I add acrylic powder for strength. So I will show you it from when I remove her last color and look for lifting and everything, right till the end when I do the color and actually use the transfer foil. So I'm going to get started with that right away. So I am removing her color with my medium ceramic bit, and I won't quite remove all the product. There's no need to. You will see this client does really well with this service. She has all her natural nails, nothing broken, and they were getting pretty long. So I'm going to be done talking for now. There's a card in the top right hand corner. You can see another video where I did the same service. It'll explain all that. I'm not going to explain it all over again. So you guys can just watch right now to see what I'm doing. And when I get to the gel polishes, the color, I will be back. So this client chose Madame Glam's Vintage Pink. So I'm going to apply that to, I think 4 of the nails we'll be doing. And then I'll be applying some glitter gel. And I will also be doing that transfer foil gel and some transfer foil. So I will just let you guys watch again me applying the color. And when I get to the glitter gel, I'll explain what it is. So the nice thing about glitter gels, if you don't have the exact color to match the color that you used, you can put the base of the glitter gel to be the color you started with. And then I'm applying Light Elegance Sweet Nothing. And it's just a really nice gold kind of purplish, really pretty iridescent glitter gel. So I just apply a thin layer on top of the color. And then I'll of course be curing that. So then my client chose Model Ones number 8. So I can put the links for Model-Ones in my coupon code below, as well as Madam Glam, so you guys can find these really pretty colors I use. So I'm going to do 2 coats on this nail. And this is the nail that I'll be using the transfer foil gel from Makartt on. So once I get those couple coats on, you'll see me applying Makartt's foil gel, and then I'll be curing it for 60 seconds and then applying that foil and rubbing it down. So now, of course, I'll top coat all the nails, and definitely want to top coat the foil so that it lasts. And I'll cure that for 60 seconds. I want to thank Makartt for sending me the foil gel to share with you. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with it. I can't wait to keep using it on all my foils now. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you could please like and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.